It's all puffed out. It's, oh my god, this is so comfortable. I want to go to sleep. Oh, I'm sorry, I was just using my puffer. I feel like I'm chosen. I'm covered in gold. Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest, and today we have a very exciting show for you. Today I am going to live cop Supreme's Week 4, the Hysteric Glamour collection. None of the items are that crazy or amazing. I really do think that the snake denim pants and denim jacket are going to be something that does very well. I'm going to run some slots for those, and I'm also going to run one slot for the flannel shirt, small in purple, like specifically that shirt. So if I get it, I'm happy I got that exact one. If I don't get it, I'm not that upset. I'm honestly not that upset if I completely fail or whatever today, because it's not that crazy of a week. It's not going to be as upsetting as the Supreme Dunks. Still mad about that. Today should be an easy one. Let's hope, let's pray. Let's everybody take a second and pray to the God of Supreme. Cash rules everything around me. I really slept in this morning, so I still need to go set up tasks, and I don't have very much time. You're gonna see me in the future when I actually have everything set up and I'm ready.
2 hours later.
What's going on, everybody? We are doing a live cop because I guess I just like pain. I guess I like to, I like people punching me. Maybe I want to get kicked. That's what Supreme likes to do to you every week. They like to just hold you down and start kicking you.
You're goddamn right.
I'm about to get all these tasks running. So in Turo here, I have 2 spots for the jeans. I have 1 spot for the trucker jacket, literally just a large trucker jacket. I figured I could try to get that one. And then a small plaid shirt, literally a plaid purple. So I went specific with that one. We are about ready to go here. 7:59:30. That's when we start. I'm gonna go ahead and start Swift Soul now. And I'm gonna go ahead and start these guys now. So let's see what happens. We're going to try to pick up what we can here. So let's see. 8 o'clock has come. Finding products. Here we go. We got something here on Swift. Looks like we're good here. Heading to cart. Cart error. Not sure what's going on with this. Motorcycles. Cars. Captchas are dead. I've been using this too much. Oh my god, these captchas are killing me. There's no way that I'm gonna get any of this. Oh my god, these captchas are killing me. Why? Is this for real?
So it's the end of all.
I mean, I've never seen this before. I don't know what the fuck is going on with this. Obviously I messed up my emails, I guess. Alright, well that didn't work. I got destroyed by the captcha monster. That was kind of annoying. I'm getting all these too many requests, so it's probably because I've been running this too much from my IP here. So I'm gonna just stop everything for now. And we will pull it up again later. I don't even want to make this video today, you know, like I already shot half of it, so I figure I might as well just keep going. Like, this is just an embarrassing day. This is a bad day for me. I obviously ruined all my 1-clicks, and so I was getting the captcha harvest, fading captcha of death, and I couldn't do anything. I mean, it was brutal. Doesn't make me look good. You really shouldn't watch me, honestly. Like, it doesn't really make any sense. Like, obviously I have no idea what I'm doing on this site.
Why are you running?
Right after the drop, I told Lewis what happened, and he called me an idiot. Yet again, this seems to be a pattern. Lewis called me an idiot, told me I needed some proxies, and then proceeded to show me how much he cooked. I think that he got everything that he even put in for, so that was good for you, man. I wasn't even sure what happened. I thought my IP got banned. I don't know. But anyways, I'm an idiot. Lesson learned. We will move forward stronger. One good thing about today, the mailman came, so I'm going to be able to unbox my week 3 stuff, and I actually finally got the cause deck that I ordered from week 1, so I don't know who was shipping this. Yeah, that actually makes sense. If he was the delivery guy, then yeah, he ran it all the way here, because that's about how long it took. Here's a box, so let's see what's in it. Hopefully this is a cause deck. If it isn't, I will be very upset. Oh my gosh, this is such a big deck.
Yeah, boy, ow, me.
Alright. Well, here you go, folks. The Supreme cause deck. I gotta hold it goofy. I have to hold it special for you to see it right. But yeah, so that is the cause deck. Yeah, I'm really excited that I got this one. I actually it already has another home. I made a big trade with Ricky from the Laced Network. If you guys are Laced Network folks, you obviously know who Ricky is. We made a big trade, and this was one of the pieces, so I finally got it. So I'm going to send this to you literally tomorrow. And then, yeah, whatever you send me, I'm going to do like an unboxing video, so it'll be fun. But yeah, cause deck, really awesome, really cool. I don't know if you guys have a policy if you're only good for 1 deck a day, but I'm a 2-deck kind of guy, because today we got another one. I believe this should be the exit deck. Oh yeah, look at this one. This one's awesome. I'm going to put this one right up on the wall, to be fair. This is the exit deck, but yeah, it's supposed to have sort of a street sign sort of look to it. I think this is a really cool deck. I like this one personally better than the cause deck. That's probably why I'm going to put this one up on my wall, and the cause deck is going to be traded for some other lucrative items. Not the biggest mail day, but this is one of the best items that I got this year. Let's open this sucker up. I do want to confirm there were no stickers in either of the boxes for the decks. Supreme is charging you $4 more to ship them and not putting any stickers in now, so obviously times have changed. Oh, okay, well, they did give me some stickers at least. So this is the Supreme Nike Puffer. Oh, look at this thing. Oh my god, that's so nice. Oh, that feels so nice. It's all puffed out. It's, oh my god, this is so comfortable. I want to go to sleep. Oh, I'm sorry, I was just using my puffer. Oh yeah, so you get a nice like chest. Get out of there. Okay, so you got a nice little chest hit here. The snakeskin Nike logo on the back. You have this tag on the back, and then let's flip it inside out, because it can do that. Take it like this, and you just flip it inside out. It's just that simple. This material feels so nice too. And then you look at this little Nike. So this is all on the outside. Oh man, can you guys see the pattern on it? So to me, this is probably how I'd wear it, with all the Nike emblem on the outside. You just have that one Supreme tag there, but the rest of it is so nice and clean that way. And then it's back again. It's just that simple. Yeah, no question about it. This is one of the nicest things that I've been able to acquire from Supreme. This sucker will keep you warm too, no doubt about that. So I'm super glad that I was able to grab that. Shout out to Lewis again for letting me use his Toro, because that's how I got that one for sure. And that is about all I have for you today, guys. You got to watch me fail earlier, and then you got to see, you know, a couple of successes that I had. So we are batting 50-50 right now. So hopefully next week we can, you know, push ourselves over that hump. Thank you again for watching. I appreciate the support. I'll be back on Tuesday with another review. Otherwise, I hope you guys had a great day. I hope you copped whatever you wanted, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.
I feel like I'm chosen, I'm covered in gold.